Hello everyone, in this video what we are going to see is how to create a dotted portrait effect in CSS. The effect may look more complicated, but with just background attachment fixed, we can solve the problem. Let me show you the HTML what I have did. We have a section. This section has some 600-700 span tag, empty span tag. Please note, we have a section and we have empty span tag of, let's say, 200, which is sufficient to fill the whole screen. If I remove all the CSS and show you, there won't be nothing, because a container section has almost 500 to 600 span tag. Okay, now choose a span tag, section tag, which is a container, and give the width of 100%. Once it's done, now it's time for the span tag. Span tag plays a huge role here. I want to give background white, height of 10 pixel, width of 10 pixel. These won't work until you give display block. Okay, once you give display block, you would want the span to be in the same line. For that, float left. Fine. Now it is a square box. We want it to be a rounded. For that, border radius 50%, which makes the div or the span circle. Once it's done, now it's time to choose the background image. Will be the syntax of URL. Let's say 1.jpg is the image name, which is inside the folder called car, which is inside the folder called images. A huge image. Each image. Now you have to understand one thing. I have given the image on the span tag, so each span consists that image. If you want the image to be applicable on the back side, what you have to do is you have to give the background attachment of fixed, which will make the image to come at the background instead of on. Okay, now it's time to place the image perfectly with the help of background size of cover, and exactly what we need, and we got it. If you want the color to be black, you should give the body background color black. Refresh it, it will change the color from white to black. You see, the span is very limited to here. If you want the full width, you have to give some more span to cover the whole screen. And that's it. Thank you for listening. And more than you have, I can show you a trick. Overflow hidden, height of 100 vertical height. So now you can space any number of span tag, it will not show outside of the full screen. Refresh it. That's some more thing, and that's it. Thank you for listening. If you want to see the CSS, happy to show you. The position fixed plays a huge role. If you don't write position fixed, each span will consist of the single image. Each span consists single image of car. Now with the help of position fixed, the background image, all the span shares. Thank you for listening.